So this is my new chair. We bought it for camping this season. We camp a lot. It comes fully assembled. You just have to put this cushion on. It's very thick. And then you have to slide this on. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's very simple. Comes on. You just put it back on. 2 drinks. Probably for a phone. Ooh, or a book, which is great because we read a lot while camping. It comes in just like a chair, so you could bring it in the camper, the tent if you wanted. The cushion comes off fully. You just tie it. And it has a thing here at the back where you just slide it on and off. And you've got these right here on either side that flip forward to lock in position. And then they come back out. I got it for myself, but my husband, who is 250 pounds, has already taken it and said it is the most comfortable chair he's ever sat in. So I'm going to have to order myself a new one. Highly recommend.
So there's a design flaw here. It says it can handle up to 500 pounds. And you know what? So far it is right. This is for one thing. This is not designed. This is a cheap plastic shit to handle 500 pounds, and I'm only 350, so half of what I can handle, more than half of what I can handle. So yeah.
This is a plus size 0 gravity chair, so it's extra wide. Has this little pillow here, a head or neck thing there. That's for your feet. This comes off and is washable. It's really, really nice material, very strong. And it folds up. I don't know who designed this cup holder, but they need to get fired. Do you see this? How crooked it is? Like, it's not holding anything up.